There is a service your Ram needs that is not in the owner's manual. Ram says your transmission fluid lasts forever. The company that built your transmission says that's a lie. And right now, today, that fluid is slowly grinding down the most expensive component in your truck from the inside out. A new ZF 8-speed transmission costs $5,000 to $8,000 installed. The service that prevents it from dying costs under $400. And if you catch it early enough, a $15 bottle of fluid is all it takes to buy yourself another 50,000 miles. If you own any Ram 1500 from 2013 to 2026, this video is the most important maintenance advice you'll ever hear, and your dealer will never tell you any of it. Open your Ram 1500 owner's manual. Go to the maintenance schedule. Look for transmission fluid change. It's not there. Ram, and Chrysler and Stellantis before them, officially classifies the fluid in your ZF 8-speed automatic as a lifetime fill. No service interval, no replacement recommendation. According to them, the fluid that was poured into your transmission at the factory in 2013, 2017, 2021, whenever, that fluid is supposed to last until the truck goes to the junkyard. That is a lie. And I can prove it because the company that actually designed and manufactures the transmission says the exact opposite. ZF Friedrichshafen, the German engineering firm that builds the 8GP transmission sitting under your Ram right now, recommends fluid and filter replacement every 50,000 to 75,000 miles. That's not my opinion. That's ZF's published service specification. The people who designed every gear, every clutch pack, every valve body passage in that transmission are telling you it needs fresh fluid. Ram is telling you it doesn't. So why the contradiction? A former FCP Euro engineer explained it perfectly. The ZF 8GP is tested to 100,000 miles with an acceptable rate of failure on the original fluid fill. 100,000 miles is what manufacturers like Ram and BMW define as lifetime, and 100,000 miles is conveniently past the warranty period. So if your transmission grenades at 110,000 miles because the fluid turned to sludge, that's your problem, not theirs. Warranty expired. They saved money by not scheduling a service. You lost money by needing a new transmission. That's what lifetime fill actually means. It doesn't mean the fluid lasts forever. It means it lasts long enough for them to stop being financially responsible. Every other manufacturer that uses this exact same transmission, BMW, Audi, Jaguar, Land Rover, Porsche, Aston Martin, recommends fluid changes between 50,000 and 80,000 miles. Every single one. Ram is the only major manufacturer stubbornly holding to the lifetime fiction. And Ram owners are the ones paying for it with destroyed transmissions. Let me explain what's happening inside your transmission right now if you've never changed the fluid. The ZF 8GP is a torque converter automatic with multiple clutch packs, planetary gear sets, and a mechatronic valve body that controls every shift. All of these components are bathed in transmission fluid, ZF Lifeguard 8, that does 3 critical jobs simultaneously: lubricate the gears and bearings, provide hydraulic pressure to engage the clutch packs, and transfer heat away from the internals to the transmission cooler. From the moment the transmission starts working, microscopic metal particles begin shedding from the clutch packs and gear surfaces. That's normal. That happens in every automatic transmission ever made. The filter catches the bigger particles, but the smaller ones stay suspended in the fluid. Over thousands of miles, that contamination builds. At the same time, the fluid's additive package is degrading. The friction modifiers that allow smooth clutch engagement are wearing out. The anti-foam agents are depleting. The viscosity is changing. The fluid gets thinner as it breaks down thermally, which means it can't maintain the hydraulic pressure the valve body needs to shift cleanly. By 60,000 miles on original fluid, the degradation is measurable. By 80,000, it's visible. I've drained transmission fluid from Rams at 100,000 miles that was supposed to be translucent red, and it came out the color of black coffee. Opaque, smelling burnt, full of suspended metallic contamination you can see with the naked eye if you wipe it on a white rag. Here's the progression of failure that contaminated fluid causes. First, shifts get slightly harsher, especially from first to second when the transmission is cold. Most people ignore this or blame the weather. Second, shifts start hanging longer. There's a noticeable delay between gears. Third, the transmission starts slipping under load, especially when towing or going uphill. Fourth, the contaminated fluid clogs the micropassages inside the mechatronic valve body. These passages are tiny, fractions of a millimeter. Once they're blocked with metallic debris, the valve body can't direct hydraulic pressure correctly. Shifts become erratic. The transmission throws codes. Fifth, the valve body damage cascades into clutch pack failure. And at that point, you're not fixing it. You're replacing it. $5,000 to $8,000. All because of fluid that Ram told you never needed changing. Let me give you some context on what's sitting under your truck, because most Ram owners have no idea how significant this transmission is. The ZF8 GP is not some Chrysler in-house design. It's a German-engineered transmission that is widely considered one of the best automatic gearboxes ever made. BMW uses it in the 3 Series, 5 Series, 7 Series, and X5. Audi uses it, Jaguar uses it, Land Rover uses it in the Defender and Range Rover, Porsche uses a variant in the Cayenne. Aston Martin uses it in the Vantage. When you're sharing a transmission with $100,000 European luxury cars, you know the engineering is serious. In your Ram, it's designated the 850 RE or 8HP70/75 depending on the model year and engine combination. 8 forward gears, wide ratio spread, torque converter with lockup clutch. It can handle anywhere from 500 to 700 plus Newton meters of torque depending on the variant. It shifts faster than most dual clutch transmissions. It's genuinely brilliant, but it is not indestructible. And the one design characteristic you need to understand is this. The oil pan and the transmission filter are one integrated unit. You cannot change the filter without changing the pan. They're molded together. That's a deliberate ZF design choice. When you service the transmission, you get a brand new filter every time. Smart engineering. But it also means the service parts aren't $15 at AutoZone. The OEM ZF pan and filter assembly with gasket and hardware runs $150 to $200. The fluid, ZF Lifeguard 8, about $25 per quart, and you need 5 to 6 quarts for a pan drop, adds another $125 to $150. Total parts cost for a proper service, $275 to $350. That's the real number. The $15 fix in the title. That's the cost of a single quart of fluid for a top-off or a partial drain and fill at 30,000 miles as a preventive measure between full services. It's the cheapest possible intervention that still moves the needle on fluid quality, and even that simple step is more than Ram tells you to do. There are 2 levels of service, and I recommend both at different intervals. Level 1 is the partial drain and fill at 30,000 miles. This is the easy one. You pull the drain plug on the bottom of the transmission pan, let 4 to 5 quarts drain out, reinstall the plug, and refill with 4 to 5 quarts of fresh ZF Lifeguard 8 through the fill port. You're swapping roughly half the fluid volume. The old filter stays. The old pan stays. You're just refreshing the fluid to dilute the contamination and replenish the additives. Takes about 45 minutes. Parts cost $100 to $125 in fluid. This is the $15 per quart intervention that buys you thousands of miles of protection. Level 2 is the full pan and filter replacement at 60,000 miles. This is the real service. Warm the transmission to operating temperature. You need the fluid between 86 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 30 to 50 Celsius. Drain the fluid. Remove the old pan, all the bolts around the perimeter, careful not to drop it because it's full of residual fluid. Clean the mating surface on the transmission case. Lubricate the new filter O-ring with fresh fluid. Install the new pan with new bolts. Torque them in a star pattern. Refill through the fill port with fresh ZF Lifeguard 8. Here's the critical step most people skip. You must verify the fluid level at the correct temperature using a diagnostic scanner that reads transmission oil temperature. The ZF8 GP does not have a traditional dipstick. Overfilling or underfilling will cause shift problems. You fill until fluid runs out of the overflow port with the transmission at the specified temperature range. DIY in your garage, 2 hours if you've done it before. First time, maybe 3. At a shop, $300 to $500 all in depending on your area. 2 critical warnings. First, do not do a power flush on a ZF8 GP with high mileage fluid. A flush forces fluid through the system under pressure, which dislodges every particle of contamination at once and rams it straight into the mechatronic valve body passages. I've seen transmissions that were shifting fine before a flush and were dead 2 weeks after. Pan drop only, always. Second, do not let anyone put ATF plus 4 in your ZF8 GP. ATF plus 4 is for the old Chrysler 545 RFE and 68 RFE transmissions. It is not compatible with the ZF8 GP. Different friction coefficients, different viscosity profile, different additive chemistry. If a shop puts ATF plus 4 in your ZF, they are actively damaging your transmission. The correct fluid is ZF Lifeguard 8 or Mopar 8 and 9 speed ATF part number 682188925AA, except nothing else. If you bring your Ram to the dealer and ask for a transmission fluid change, one of two things will happen. Neither is good. Option 1, they tell you it's not needed. It's lifetime fluid, sir. The computer doesn't show a service interval for the transmission. You're good. They're reading from a screen. They're following corporate policy. And corporate policy is designed to minimize warranty claims during the coverage period, not to maximize the life of your truck after it expires. The service advisor telling you this probably has no idea that ZF recommends a 50,000 mile interval. They've never looked it up. They've never been trained on it. They just see no service required in the system and parrot it back. Option 2, they agree to do it and charge you $600 to $900. The ZF pan and filter kit costs the dealer about $200 wholesale. The fluid is another $150. Labor is 1 to 1.5 hours. The math doesn't add up to $900, but they know you walked in asking for a service that's not in the maintenance schedule, which means you've done your research, which means you're going to pay whatever they quote because you're already convinced it needs doing. Both options are bad. The first one is negligent. The second one is a markup that borders on predatory. Here's what I tell every Ram owner. Either do it yourself, it's one of the simplest services you can perform on a modern truck, or find an independent transmission shop that knows the ZF8 GP. Any shop that works on BMWs or Land Rovers has done this service hundreds of times because those manufacturers actually schedule it. They'll charge you $300 to $400, use the correct fluid, and verify the level at the proper temperature. And one more thing the dealer won't tell you. When they do perform transmission services on Rams, some dealerships have been caught using ATF plus 4 instead of the correct ZF spec fluid. Because ATF plus 4 is what they keep in bulk for the older transmissions, and it's cheaper. If you have a service done at a dealer, check the receipt. Verify the fluid part number. If it says ATF plus 4 and you have a ZF 8 speed, go back and raise hell. A Ram owner on the Ram Forum Z forum bought a used 2014 Ram 1500 Longhorn with 159,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Service records showed regular oil changes, new brakes, new tires, even a new exhaust manifold to fix the Hemi tick. Thousands of dollars spent on maintenance, but not a single transmission service in 159,000 miles, because the manual said it wasn't needed. He opened the pan, documented everything with photos. The fluid that was supposed to be translucent red looked like used motor oil, dark brown, almost black. The integrated filter was saturated. The magnet on the drain plug was coated in fine metallic paste. 159,000 miles of metal particles, degraded additives, and thermal breakdown, all circulating through the clutch packs and the valve body for over a decade. The transmission was still working, but that's not the point. The point is it was living on borrowed time. Every shift was pushing contaminated fluid through passages designed for clean fluid. Every gear engagement was happening with degraded friction modifiers. The components were wearing at 5 times the rate they would have been with fresh fluid. He changed it. Fresh pan, fresh filter, fresh fluid. Said the transmission felt like a completely different unit. Shifts were smoother, faster, and quieter than he'd ever experienced in that truck. That's what happens when you give a ZF8 GP what it needs. It rewards you. Ignore it and you're gambling with thousands of dollars on the hope that lifetime actually means something. Here's the schedule I follow and recommend to every Ram owner who walks into my shop. 30,000 miles, partial drain and fill. Pull the plug, drain what comes out, refill with fresh ZF Lifeguard 8. You're refreshing about half the fluid volume. Cost $100 to $125 in fluid if you DIY. Takes 45 minutes, 60,000 miles. Full pan and filter service. New OEM ZF pan with integrated filter, fresh fluid, level verified at correct temperature. Cost $275 to $350 in parts if you DIY, or $300 to $500 at an independent shop. Repeat every 30,000 and 60,000 miles thereafter. If you tow regularly, work in extreme heat, do a lot of stop-and-go city driving, or use your truck for commercial work, move everything up by 10,000 miles. Towing generates massive heat in the transmission. Heat is what kills fluid. The hotter it runs, the faster it degrades. Owners who follow this schedule are reporting 300,000 and 400,000 miles on the original ZF8 GP without a rebuild. That's not mythology. That's documented on forums with receipts and service records. The ZF8GP will last that long if you feed it clean fluid. It will not if you listen to ROM and leave the factory fill in there until it turns to sludge. ROM tells you the fluid lasts forever. ZF tells you to change it every 50,000 to 75,000 miles. The guy who sells you an $8,000 replacement transmission benefits from lifetime. The guy who charges you $400 for a fluid change benefits from keeping your truck alive. Figure out who's telling you the truth based on who profits from each answer. A $15 quart of fluid at 30,000 miles. A $350 pan service at 60,000. That's all it takes to keep the best automatic transmission ever put in a truck running for the next decade. Or you can trust lifetime and roll the dice. Your truck, your money, your call. Hit subscribe. Tell me in the comments how many miles are on your Ram and whether you've ever changed the transmission fluid. I want to see how many of you are sitting on a time bomb right now. See you in the next one.